Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about a new topic, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup in Microsoft Office Excel. So let's start. So what I have done for the VLOOKUP tutorial, I have taken a list of mobile phones, their price with their discount. Okay, so what we will do, if I type a phone name like let's take the example of the first phone, Realme 6. If I press enter and give here the VLOOKUP function, then the price of Realme 6, that is 13,999, will automatically fetch here. And similarly, if we give the function for discount, that is the 0%, it will automatically fetch. First we will learn the manual typing, then we will do one data validation and fetch the price of the mobile phones and the discount by using data validation. So let's start. So let me delete this. So first I will write the VLOOKUP function for price. Lookup. So you can see here it is the lookup value, the table array, column index number, and the range lookup. So what are these? Lookup value means we want to see the price of the phone, so that would be the lookup value. Table array means this is the main master table, so from here we will get all the data. Column index number means here we can see the price is in column number 2, so we need the data of column number 2. Similarly for discount is in column number 3, so in discount we will need the data for column number 3. And range lookup, what is range lookup? Range lookup, there are two types of range lookup. One is true and the other is false. True means approximate value and false means exact value, and it can also be represented by 1, that is approximate value, and 0 for exact value. So we will use 0 in this case. So VLOOKUP, then we need to select here because we need the data which will be validated in that column, in that row, in that cell. Okay, then comma, then we will need to select a table from where we will fetch the data. So I have selected the table, then comma. So what we need price. So price is in what number column in the master table? It is in column number 2, so we will write here 2. And what we need, exact or approximate data, we need exact data, so we will write 0, as 0 returns the exact data. Now we will press enter. Now it will show NA because there is no phones written here. Now I will manually write, let me write POCO F2. Let me write this one, POCO F2. If I press enter, the price will be 16,999. See, once I wrote POCO F2, the price already changes to 16,999 because it fetched the data from the master table, because I have already given the VLOOKUP function. Similarly, I can see the discount here. You can do one thing, you can just drag this here and the formula will copy itself. So see, the discount is 0 for POCO F2. So I think the manual typing is you guys have understood. Now we will do one data validation. So for data validation, we need to go to the data tab. There it is, data validation. Now data validation, there you click here and select list, and we will need to give the range of data. So we need the name of the phones. We will select from Realme 6 to Samsung M31 and press enter. Then OK. Now we will get a list of the phones here. Suppose we select Redmi Note 8. So what is the price of Redmi Note 8? Redmi Note 8 price is 11,999, and what is the discount? It's 10. So I will write, you can copy the function from here and paste here also, but I will write VLOOKUP. So what is the lookup value? The lookup value is the phone name, so I will select that. Then I need to select the table, the master table. Then I need to give the column number from which the data needs to be fetched. So the column number is 2 for price, so I will give 2. Then I need the exact amount, exact value, so I will put 0. I will press enter. See, the price changes to 11,999, and similarly we can track this for the discount. So the discount is 0. So like this, data validation is very good because here we need to manually type the phone name or whatever thing you select. But here, if once the data validation is done, we can just click here and select the phone. If the function are already given, it will automatically change the price and discount of the phone names. So we'll check one by one. First, Realme 6, it's the same. We'll check some random phones. Okay, Redmi K30 Pro, it's the same. Samsung M31, 14,999 and 0, 14,999 and 0. So that's it, guys. I hope you have understood what VLOOKUP is and what each parameter inside the VLOOKUP function stands for. And I've shown you by two ways. One is by manual typing and the other is by data validation. Have a nice day. Thank you. For more videos on educational purpose, please stay tuned and subscribe, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Thank you.